Hello, we are going to do some SQL queries which are often asked in interviews, in hands-on problems. And the first one that I have picked up is to pair the oldest adult with the youngest child. This is a table that we have where we have person with their person IDs A1, A2, C1, C2, where the ones which starts from C are the child, and the ones which start with A is an adult. Their type is mentioned in column type along with their ages. We want to pair the oldest adult like A4 59 with the youngest child, which in this case is C1 10. Okay, so let's jump into it. I've already created these tables. I have used create table statement and then I've inserted the values, and we can see we have the right data reflecting. Let's just re-execute it. Waiting. Okay, we have the table. So if you want to think about a solution yourself, I'll pause for 2 seconds. I'll wait for 2 seconds. You can pause the video and think, and then attempt the solution with me to cross check your answers. Or if you have a better solution, please ping in the comment box what was your approach. Okay. Now my solution is to use Windows function. I have planned to use row number function here. I'll provide row number for each adult and child, and then I'll join both of them based on the row number IDs. Okay, so string select. I'll use CT here with adults as. Let me just update this cell as SQL. Now it's good to go. Select. I want to select my person along with their type and their age. Okay, not aggregate but age. Oh, then going to select it from my table. My table name is this. Interviews .sql .people is my table name. SQL is my schema. Interviews is my catalog. Okay. Now I would want to filter this on only my adults. Yeah, good. Type as adults. Okay, adults or adult? Okay, it's adult. Okay. Here I want to have my row number added. I'm going to do an over clause. I don't want to partition it in any way, but I'll use the order by, and I'm going to do an order by age in descending, because I want the oldest adult to have row number as 1. So I could pair it with my youngest child who is going to have the row number as 1. Okay, so I'll reuse this logic to create one CTE for children as well. Children. Okay, this is going to be a child. On this age needs to be in ascending order, which will take by default, and let's call it as a adult ID, and then let's call this as child ID. Okay, now when I have my baseline CTs created, I just want to join these CTs together to pair my oldest adult with the youngest child. Select from my adults inner join children. Let's give them a alias as well. Adults as A. On my join condition needs to be A dot adult underscore ID needs to be same as C dot child ID. Okay, now what are the columns that I would like to choose here? I want to have adults person, and then I want to have C, that is my child person, and then their age. Okay, A dot H and C dot H. Okay, so this should do. Let's execute and see the results. Okay, let's verify. Here the oldest adult is A4 and A4 is being joined with C1. Then A1. A1 is my next oldest adult at the age of 58. It is joined with C4, next youngest child, which is 12. A4, C1, A1, C4. A4, C1, A1, C4. Okay, so the result looks right and nice, but let's add a twist. If you see, we have a tie at the age of 58. There are two adults, A1 and A5, both at 58. What if I would like to join one child with the same adults? If I have same age reoccurring, what should I do? What could be the next solution? So for that, all I'll do is I'll rather use a dense rank rather than a row number. Okay, with dense rank in place, the adults with the same age are going to have the same ID, so they could be paired up with the same child. Here, A1 and A5 both were age 50 and 58, and both are paired up with the same child, C4, 12, 12. Okay. I hope you learned something new. I hope you'll get some insights from this. And if you have another solution for this, feel free to add it in the comments. Thank you.